Press the pneumatic fittings gently and remove the Teflon tube. Unscrew to screws and remove the top cover. Unscrew for screws and remove the base. Disconnect the wiring of the extrusion switching motor. Unscrew to screws and remove the old extrusion switching motor. Install the new extrusion switching motor and tighten to screws. Reconnect the wiring. Disconnect the wiring of the extrusion motor. Unscrew to screws and remove the old extrusion motor. Install the new extrusion motor and tighten to screws. Reconnect the wiring. Install the base and tighten for screws. Install the top cover and tighten to screws. Insert the Teflon tube.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.